The AI revolution isn't just about software, it's also an infrastructure build-out, a global race to construct the data centers that AI runs on. And the power consumption of each data center is colossal. 5 centers are each projected to consume more energy per day than the entire city of San Francisco by the end of 2026. OpenAI alone has talked about reaching 30 gigawatts of capacity by 2030, about 6% of the power consumption of the entire United States today. Building a new data center is a huge investment in the tens of billions of dollars, so companies sometimes choose to rent capacity from specialized AI compute operators. These pure AI compute companies have earned the category name Neocloud. Multiple sources project that the market for renting compute will grow from about $35 billion a year today to over $180 billion by the end of the decade. But there's no point in building a data center if you don't have electricity available to power it. Energized capacity, a physically installed and legally approved hookup to high-voltage utility lines that can immediately deliver electricity, has become the binding constraint of the whole build-out. This electrical bottleneck brings in a new category of player. Power-rich companies, many of them former cryptocurrency miners, are converting their sites to AI, taking AI from roughly 30% of their revenue today towards 70% by the end of 2026. The Reserve AI Capacity and Neocloud DTF, ticker neocloud, brings together both layers of AI compute, the operators who rent out the GPUs and the power-rich sites that supply the power and buildings they run on. The more compute AI companies demand, the more revenue these companies are expected to receive. Keep in mind that nothing in this video is investment advice. We are not a regulated financial intermediary, and it's up to you to decide whether to purchase any of the assets offered on the Reserve platform, all of which may lose value. Welcome to the world of DTFs on Reserve. See you on chain.